All right, everybody, this is Moonbase Alpha 2020. We're gonna be doing a review today. A little tutorial on the Power Air Fryer. As you can see here, you can get it at Amazon for $100. And I ordered an air fryer for Christmas, and it wasn't a name brand. It wasn't something that I looked into, and then I waited a little bit. I had to return it, and I got this Power Air Fryer, which I've had no problems with. Here's the instruction manual. And it got all kinds of, instructions on how to use it, how to run it and everything. It has a 1-800 number. And this is a very good, I've had no problems with this at all. No problems. And it basically gives you like the, temperature settings and cook times. As I said, there's an 800 number if you need problems. Power Air Fryer. All right, so this is it, guys. It's the Power Air Fryer. As you can see here, it's made of copper. This copper lining where you put all your stuff in. Just spray some Crisco butter on it. Get the French fries. Put it back in. Press power. Oh, that's the minutes. Temperature, 400 degrees, 18 minutes. And then, there you go. And just shake in between as you check on it and stuff. This is power button, this is a timer, this is the temperature, and I haven't had any problems with it. It works good. I've cooked steaks in there, French fries, all kinds of stuff. So, and we'll see how it comes out. All right, so here they are, nice golden brown, as you can see. These taste good, they look good. It has great reviews. The Power Air Fryer. It's worked for me. I bought it for Christmas. It's a great buy and it's a great product. Got it on Amazon Prime. Thanks a lot. All right, well, the fries came out a little early. They were real crunchy and real delicious. So you have to kind of just check it out. You open it up, shake it up, put some salt in it or whatever. And just kind of scope it out. And so, that's my review of the Power Air Fryer XL 5.3 Quart. I'll leave the link. This is Moonbase Alpha 2020, and I'll see you on the flip side.